In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create multiple copies of something very quickly. This right here is a side elevation of an extension, and this is a section of that elevation, which is just a cut straight through it, showing everything that's inside. And what I'm going to be showing you today is with these tiles on the top here. Because there's multiple of them, rather than very slowly copying and pasting them multiple times, I'm going to show you the quick way. So obviously, to begin with, what I'm going to do is just delete the majority of them, and I'm just going to be left with 2. And the way that most people, I imagine, would typically go about doing this is creating a copy and then doing this all the way down until they reach the bottom, and that is so long I don't even want to go all the way to the bottom. What I'm going to do is just delete these once again and show you the fast way of doing it. I'm going to highlight what I want to copy, press C and O and space to get open my copy tool, and then I'm going to specify a base point, and I'm going to select this as the batten before the item that I'm copying. So I'm going to click here, and before I click again and carry out the same process that I just showed you, you want to take a look at the command line at the bottom of the screen here and find the array tool. You can click this, or alternatively you can press A, the letter that's highlighted in blue, and space. And now it's going to ask me how many items do I want to array. And this is simply just asking me how many copies I want to make. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grossly overestimate and say 15. I'm then going to select the distance between the original and the copy and just click. And just like that, you'll see now I have all of them in place with a single click. And you'll see I've got one hanging out over the edge. I'm just going to delete and trim off unnecessary tiles, and just like that I've created all my copies very quickly. If you found this helpful at all, please drop me a sub. I'm hoping to hit 1,000 subscribers soon, and that number is what I base my entire worth off of. Thank you for watching.